Look what came today. The package. I opened it already because I couldn't wait. But it is from these people, RockFox. And I already have the front, so I need the back. Yes, you already guessed it, what it is, but I'll not say. So let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. One side, nicely packed. One hand operation again. This is a bar, nicely packed as well. Very nice. Okay. Lots of screws. And got two sides. Woohoo! The other side is fairly simple, very sturdy. Okay. So that's it. That is. Oh, and a letter, love letter. Installation. Yeah, well, there we go. It says BMW 310GS Pannier rack installation guide with pictures. Well, how easy can it get? Takes all the fun out of it, but let's see how much fun we can still have with this. Okay, to make sure that we've got everything, because that's the worst thing that you can get in a puzzle, the last piece missing. Okay, nicely done, this pamphlet here, this installation guide. Let's see, left reg, yeah, right, yeah, rear, that's that one, okay, that's that one. Allen caps, there we've got that one, yes. Got that one, 4 2 spacers, right, yeah, okay, let's see where they go. Allen caps are small ones, no, that's the medium ones here, okay, 50s. Washers, 12, nylon nuts, yeah, 4, whoops, everything there. Let's continue. Okay, in the description it says you need 3 tools. Sharp nose plier, a 6 Allen key, and a 13 spanner. That doesn't sound a lot, but let's see. Easy enough, but I cheated and I used the second plier to hold this thing because it's quite slippery and turning, but it's off now. Next. According to the description, that should be it. It's the front, the big spacer, back the small spacer, and then somehow in here. Let's see. Okay, that's taking shape. Not too tight. Oh, needs a nut or something on there as well. Let's continue. Yeah, second one is on the right hand side. And here's a tip. Take that seat off and then you can see down there the front screw to guide that in. A little bit difficult on your own, but there you can see then exactly that it's center and it doesn't cut any extra grooves in there. That makes it easier. On that side, same thing there. That's the left side, that's the right side. The other screw, oh, it's difficult to see there in the distance. Anyway, that helps a little bit. Now to the crossbar. I think there's no right or wrong side up. No, they're all pretty straight. But these ones are the connectors and they are fitted perfectly on the side parts. So not to worry, just put it on. And if you didn't tighten the screws too much, then it should be fairly easy to fit onto the existing brackets now. Now washers on. Don't forget the spacers. And tighten everywhere now, once they are in place. With the lead done, what you end up with is those screws from the handlebars and from the foot pegs. Really also only needed this. Okay, well, I held the clip there with the screwdriver or the plier or whatever, but you can do without. So this is all that what's left over. If you've got more over, then well, there's something wrong. You can't build a second bike out of it, so better look for where it goes. But that's pretty much it, and the end product looks like this. It actually braces the back tail there as well, which is good because if you've got a camera like I have, it holds it more steady. It's not connected, it's just bracing it against it. And there is the other side. Spacing is good enough, very good, so no rattling or anything. And it's super sturdy, excellent build. And I know some people don't like it, but I like the side braces. They've got a little bit of an extra nice touch here, because on the previous models apparently this was missing. They just added this, so they're refining their product, which is nice to know. So I'm RockFoxed up because, as I said, I've got the front. It came, the bike when I bought it, it came with this, so I thought I'd just add that extra. There we go. Looks wide, but it's actually not that far off the bike. See, there we go. It's very close. Well, that's the end of the build. Let's go for a ride. Okay, some last words from me. Firstly, I am not affiliated with RockFox and was not sponsored by them. I bought this Pannier rack myself. The purchase process was quite simple via their website, and I will put the link into the description below if you want to check it out. The guys from RockFox responded quickly and were quite helpful via WhatsApp and email. The rack was also reasonably priced. The installation was super easy and the build quality is excellent. I reckon it can be done easily within half an hour unless you make a video on how to do it. The rack is really sturdy, has a nice powder coat matte finish, and as you can see in the sample, even helps reducing the vibration coming from that single pot between your legs. All the material you need is provided apart from the tools, and everything fits perfectly. You should be able to attach soft and hard cases onto it. I would buy it again. Next for my bike will be an engine sump guard to replace that original plastic one, and I hope RockFox will extend their range in that way, as I would definitely get that from them as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you for watching and safe driving.